Hey guys, it's Avery. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to be doing an ultimate summer glow tutorial. Since it is now getting warmer, I've officially called it summer, even though it's not technically summer yet. I'm calling it summer. My last day of school is this Friday. I am so excited. But yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to focus a lot on the face makeup, not really much on the eyes. I already filled in my eyebrows. I didn't carve them out or do anything like that. Just filled them in. So if you were wondering, that's why they're a little bit bolder than what they would naturally look like. But yeah, that's really all I have to say. So please make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave. Like this video and leave a comment down below. And without further ado, let's get on to the video. Okay, so we're going to start off with my Professional Pearl Primer from Benefit. I just like to take it right in my T-zone and where I have problems, just to fill in all those pores. I'm sorry if you can hear my dogs in the background. I don't know what's going on with them, but they're just being a little bit crazy today. I'm then going to take my Smashbox Primer Water and just prime the face with this, give it a little spritz. So for foundation, we are going to go glowy and dewy and natural. So we are going to be using my L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Glow Foundation, and I'm going to be mixing the shades 209 Caramel Beige and 201 Classic Ivory. I just blended it on the back of my hand, and I'm going to take a brush and just apply it. I'm not really trying to go for that full coverage look, so it's not too heavy and it's very comfortable on the skin throughout the summer days. Then I'm just going to take the excess product I have on my hand with a beauty blender and just blend that in all together. I didn't very mix the foundations well, so it's a little bit dark for me, but we're going to conceal and brighten that up. My neck and my face are not looking similar. I'm going to take a little bit more of that lighter shade and just go over the foundation a little bit, trying to brighten it up. I'm now applying my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. This is a really good concealer if you're looking for not a lot of coverage but still want that really pretty brightening effect. And I am just going to blend that out once more. I'm now using my Pure Cosmetics Camo Contour Stick. I'm going to use this as a bronzer and contour because I want to use as many creams as possible so we can be light and natural looking. And once again, going in to blend that out. I'm going to take this Clinique blush stick, and this is in the shade Amped Up Apple 01 Amped Up Apple. I'm going to apply a little bit on my booty blender, and I'm just going to bounce it onto my cheeks. Blush is really important in the summer because you want to look like you have like a nice flush and a nice glow. I'm then going to take this Wet n Wild highlighting stick and also apply this onto my beauty blender, and I'm just going to apply that right where I highlight. It's so pretty. I'm then taking this Wet n Wild highlighting and contouring duo, and I'm just sweeping it right under the eyes just to set the concealer and nowhere else. Actually, I'm going to do it a little bit right on my forehead so that doesn't get really greasy. We love a little glow, but there it looks like a hot mess when it's all greasy. I'm then just dipping into my Flormar bronzer with a big fluffy brush, adding just a slight more bit of bronzer. I'm then going to take my Morphe Babe in Paradise palette, and I'm going to take the shade Mahu and just highlight a bit more. Oh my god, this is stunning. I'm then going to take the 24 Brow Setter from Benefit. This stuff is absolutely amazing. I stand for it, and I'm just going to run it through my brows so they stay through the heat. Okay, so like I said, we're not going to be doing much on the eyes. We're going to keep it simple. So I'm just going to step in to my Laura Mercier Cat's Pajamas palette and take this shade Bomb Diggity and just apply that through the crease. I'm also going to run that on my lower lash line. You can use your bronzer for this step. I just chose to use an eyeshadow. I'm then going to take this It Style Cream eyeshadow. I really don't know what shade it is, but these are amazing. I'm just going to take it with my finger and pat it on. I'm then going to take a lighter shade of that. I use this one for my formal Get Ready With Me, and apply it right into the inner corner. Then to set that so it doesn't crease, I'm going to take this single eyeshadow from Flormar in the shade Pearly Gold and apply that right over top of the lid. Now you can totally do eyeliner and lashes, but I'm going to skip that and move straight on to curling my lashes and using mascara. Okay, again, I'm just curling. Then I'm going to take the Get Big Lashes from Essence and just apply this. I'm then going to take this Dusty Rose Cosmetics lipstick in the shade Posy and applying that. Then I'm just going to apply a little bit of this Beauty Treats gloss. And this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I really like how it turned out. Super simple, super glowy, perfect for summer. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave. Like this video and leave a comment down below if you have any requests. That's really all I have to say. So hope you guys have a great, wonderful day or night wherever you are. And yeah, bye.